Alright, so in today's exercise, they have told us that we have to calculate the 20%.
And we might be tempted to put the tax percentage here. In fact, it would work just fine.
So yeah, the 20% of this quantity would be 420 euros. However, in this exercise, doing that would not be the correct answer. At least, it would not be especially an elegant solution in this spreadsheet. Ideally, we want all the quantities that form the total sum to be part of the total calculation. They should be positioned in cells. As of right now here, I wouldn't have too much trouble subtracting the taxed amount to the total and the result would still be correct. But despite this solution being correct, there are many situations in which Excel will ask ourselves, what if? For example, what if instead of 20% we were talking about 22% or maybe it was 18% for instance? So in these slightly more complex scenarios, we would have to go and change one of the formulas that we had previously created. We would have to go to the contents of this specific cell and change it to 18%, for example. Logically, not only this way of changing it is not very clear, but furthermore, when we send this spreadsheet to print, we won't see what tax percentage is exactly being applied. Having said that, in these cases, it is always recommended for all the data to be visible in the spreadsheet. In this situation, we could have the 20% showing here, at the same time that it is being part of the formula. Let's say that this cell, the H11, is being multiplied by this other quantity. This way, we would have that the 420 is the result, while also having very easy access to the tax percentage if it so happens that we want to change it. Logically, by operating in this specific way, we will have the same result we got at the beginning while retaining all the important data visible. This way, we would be able to recalculate the entire spreadsheet in the future if needed.